Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Venmo without a bank account. Easy hack step by step. To use Venmo without a bank account, start by downloading the Venmo app from your device's app store. Open the app and select Sign Up to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Make sure it's active, as you'll receive a verification code. After entering your phone number, tap Next and check your messages for the code. Enter the verification code in the app to verify your phone number. Next, provide your personal information, including your name and email address. Once you complete the registration, the app will ask you to create a secure password. Now you can set up your Venmo balance by choosing Add Funds or PayPal as a funding option. You can also link a debit card for easier transactions. To add a debit card, go to the Settings tab and select Payment Methods. From there, tap Add Bank or Card and select Debit or Credit Card. Enter your card details, then tap Add Card to save it. Once linked, you can receive money and make payments using your Venmo balance or the debit card. To receive money, share your Venmo username or QR code with friends. When someone sends you money, it will appear in your Venmo balance. If you wish to cash out without a bank account, you can use the option to transfer your balance to a debit card. To do this, select Manage Balance and then tap Transfer to Bank. Choose Instant for faster access or 1 to 3 business days for the standard option if you have added a debit card. Now you can use Venmo easily without needing a traditional bank account. Just remember to keep your app updated for the best experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.